Do you ever feel tired and unfocused in the middle of the afternoon? You're not alone. Many people experience what's called the afternoon slump, a period of decreased energy and concentration that usually hits around mid-afternoon, just after lunch. There are a few reasons why we might feel this way. Eating a heavy or carb-heavy lunch can cause a spike in blood sugar levels, followed by a crash, which can leave you feeling tired and groggy. Similarly, consuming too much caffeine or sugar can give you a temporary boost in energy, but can also lead to a crash later on. So, what can you do to beat the afternoon slump? Here are a few tips. Get moving. Physical activity can help to boost energy levels and improve focus. Even a short walk or some light stretching can make a difference. Drink water. Dehydration can contribute to fatigue and decreased energy levels, so be sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Eat a balanced lunch. A meal that's balanced with protein, healthy fats, and fiber can help keep you feeling full and energized. Take a break. Sometimes a short break from work or other tasks can help to recharge your energy levels. Consider reading a book, meditating, or simply resting your eyes for a few minutes. This can also mean taking a break from screens, which can be mentally exhausting. Avoid caffeine and sugar. While caffeine and sugar can provide a temporary boost in energy, they can also lead to a crash later on. Try to limit your intake of these substances or avoid them altogether. Instead, opt for water, tea, or other beverages that don't contain caffeine or sugar. Get enough sleep. It's important to get enough sleep at night to help prevent fatigue during the day. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. By following these tips, you can beat the afternoon slump and stay energized and focused throughout the day. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.